Here an important point is there that small animals are much more in the danger of becoming extinct. Why do you think smaller animals are in more danger? One reason could be because smaller animals are easily eaten by bigger animals. So they will be, and they can die out easily, so they will become extinct easily. Therefore, at times we kill snakes. Now, whenever we see snake, you must have seen people kill them. So, frogs, lizards, they are killed, and no one knows about them. But if they are continuously killed, then their population would decrease, and they play a very important role in what? In the food chain. So, by killing them, we are harming ourselves. They might be small in size, but their role in the ecosystem cannot be ignored. They form part of the food chain and the food webs. Example is like if you see snake, people in these days in whenever it rains, the snakes come out because the ground is filled with water. So they tend to come out of the ground, and they are seen around. So if snakes are seen and they are killed by everyone, what will happen? The population of snakes will decrease. If the population of snake will decrease, then the animals who are eaten by the snake, their population will increase. Like the population of the mouse and other smaller animals will increase. So they will start damaging the crops, and therefore there will be a disturbance. So we should not kill animals. So whenever any snake is seen, we should inform the forest department. They will catch hold of the snake and they will lead them in the forest. An ecosystem is made of all plants and animals and microorganisms in an area along with non-living components. So what is an ecosystem? This is the definition of ecosystem. An ecosystem is made of plants and animals and microorganisms in an area along with non-living. So there are animals, that means there are living as well as non-living components which are part of the system as well as the surroundings. So river, and these are also river, deltas, desert, they are also part of the ecosystem. The ecosystem could be of water, ecosystem could be a land, ecosystem could be any other area, but it will have living, it will have non-living components. The non-living components could be the water, the river, deltas, and these mountains. They are all part of the ecosystem. The next part of this topic is red data book. Now what is the name? The name suggests that it is some book. It is explained here that there is a book maintained, it is called a source book, which keeps a record of all the endangered animals and plants. So from the name, red data book means red is used for alarm. So the record of all the animals is kept, where the animals who are near extinction, their names are written in it. And then the World Wildlife Fund, what do? They maintain record of such animals, and then they inform all the countries and the government of the world that this area in your country has got a particular species which is endangered. So the governments are told to take steps to protect them. So that is a red data book which contains information of all the endangered animals.